Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will develop a C program to find biggest number in an array. To do so, in the VS Code, I am creating a C program named biggest number array.c. And at the top of the file, I am including the header file stdio.h to use the printf statement. Then I am creating the main function of the program. And within the main function, in the declaration part, I'm declaring two integer variables I and biggest. And following it, I'm declaring an integer array with the size 5. And I'm assigning 5 values for the array. They are 4, 5, 7, 2 and 6. Then I'm assuming number from the 0th index of the array is the biggest number. So I'm assigning biggest equal to numbers of 0. So the variable biggest will have the value 4. Next, I am creating a for loop which will run from I equal to 1 to I equal to 4. This will iterate the array from 1 to 4th index. Within the loop, I am adding if condition which will check if the value from the biggest variable is less than value from the array with the current index, which is the value of I. For example, currently the biggest has the value 4 and the number of I, which is 1, is the value 5. So 4 is less than 5. So in that case, we will be storing the current biggest number to the variable biggest. So I am again assigning biggest equal to numbers of current index, that is I. So the biggest variable will have value 5 after the first iteration. Similarly, for every iterations, the current biggest value will compare with the current index of the array, and if the biggest number comes than the current biggest number, the newer biggest number will be stored inside the variable biggest. And after completing the loop, I am printing the identified biggest number in the printf statement. This means after the loop execution, the biggest variable will have the biggest number from the array. Finally, I am adding return 0 at the end of the main function. Let's save the program, and to compile it, I am opening the VS Code terminal by pressing Ctrl J. And in the terminal, I am typing gcc space the program name and then pressing enter to compile it. And to run it, the same terminal window, I am typing /a.exe and then pressing enter to run the program. And from the output, we can see it is displayed 7 is the biggest number in the array, which is the identified biggest number from the array. And in the program, in the line number 9, within the if condition, if you change the less than symbol into the greater than symbol, the program will find the smallest number from the array. You can try this in your computer. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.